Safety isn't just about how you drive, it's about how risks are managed before you even start the vehicle. When Greyfleet is managed with safety in mind, everyone benefits. If you're driving for work, your vehicle is considered a workplace. That applies whether it's a company car or your own. Organisations usually manage their commercial fleets well, but Greyfleet vehicles don't always get the same care. They should, because the same risks apply. Greyfleet safety follows 5 key principles: planning, organising, leading, controlling, and incident management. Planning means looking ahead, identifying risks early, and making everyone more alert to hazards. Organising ensures people, resources, and systems are in place. That means training, clear responsibilities, good communication, and reliable data. Safety isn't one person's job, but clarity matters. Leading sets the tone. When managers show safety as a priority, culture shifts. Think safety, work safely becomes the norm. Controlling keeps everything on track. Our vehicles safe? Are policies followed? And if not, adjustments are made. Control also ensures compliance with laws and health and safety rules. Done well, it turns challenges into improvements. Incident management makes sure everyone knows what happens if there's a speeding offence, a phone use violation, or a crash. Clear procedures and consequences protect workers and organisations. Greyfleet safety is a partnership. Drivers, managers, and leaders all play a part. The closer Greyfleet management is to commercial fleet practices, the safer it is for everyone. As a driver, understand and follow your organisation's policies. Reflect on your habits. Is safety really your first priority? Know your role within the safety framework and align your actions with the organisation's goals. Speak up about barriers to safe driving and keep communication open with your manager. And as a manager, make safety a clear priority. Take a risk management approach to driving. Provide the resources and training your team needs. And lead by example and foster a think safety, work safely culture. Keep communication two-way and expectations clear. And use monitoring and technology, not just to check compliance, but to drive improvement. Greyfleet's safety management isn't about paperwork, it's about culture, where safety is a shared value. With planning, organisation, leadership, control, and clear incident management, organisations protect their people and make every journey safer.